Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. So, with me, Miss Mira Fitriyani. And how's your condition today? Alright, I hope you're doing great. And then, are you ready to study today? Okay, well, first you should look at these pictures. And what is this? Yes, correctly. This is a recount text. And then I have a question for you. Have you ever told about your holiday to your friends? Yeah, if your answer is yes, so you use a recount text. So today we are going to learn about recount text. And then the learning objectives today is for students become familiar with recount text, and then students understand about what is a definition of recount text, about structure, purpose, and language features. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so here I will explain for you about what is a definition of recount text. So, recount text is a text that recall, retell, reconstruct events, achievements, or experience from the past in a logical sequences. So, it means a recount text tell us about something that already happened, and then we use it to share experience and achievement, or maybe a special event, and then fun trip maybe, and etc. So it usually involve the people, and then where and when it happened. Well, next, what is the purpose of recount text? So, the purpose of recount text is to tell about story from the past to make people know or enjoy it. So, we use recount text to give information to others about our experience or our story in the past. And then we use it to share experience about sad, happiness, or a funny story from our life. And then so it is involved about who, where, and when it happened. Okay, next. Actually, recount text has some specific purpose and types. So there are two purpose and types of recount text. The first is personal recount, and the second is biographical recounts. So the first is personal recount. What is personal recount? Personal recount is tales about your own experience. So this is the examples. You can read it. Yeah, correctly. My holiday in Bali. This is for the example for personal recount. And then next, biographical recount. Biographical recount is tells about someone else's life, usually about a famous person. Okay, and this is example for a biographical recount. You can read it. Alright, correctly, for the example is a life of DJ Habibi. Alright, so a recount text can be about your experience or other people's experience. Alright guys, next is a generic structure of recount text has three main points. The first is orientation. So orientations introduce about who, where, and when the story happened. It gives background information from for readers, so readers can understand about the story. And next is event. Event tells what happened in order. So this is the main part of recount text. The writers tell step by step a story from the beginning until the end. And then last is reorientation. It gives writers closing comment. So the writers give closing or conclusions about a story. is language features. In recontext, we use some language features. First is past tense, like was, were, and then when. And the second is action verbs like played, climbed, and helped. And the next is we use personal pronouns like I, mine, our, and etc. And the last is we use time connectors like then, after that, or finally. Alright, well, this is the example of recount text. So you should answer, you should identify which one the part of orientations, events, or the orientation of this recount text. You should pause this video and think what's your answer. Okay guys, now we are already at the end of the video. So let's review what we learned today. Okay, the first is recount text tells the past events, and then it can be personal or biographical recount, and then it has orientations, events, and reorientations. And the last is it uses past tense, action verbs, and time connectors. Alright, and then if you are understand about these materials today, so you can give these reactions in the comment below. And then if you don't understand about these materials today, you can give these reactions in the comment below. And if you're still confused, you can ask me in the comment below. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in next class. Tada!